Okay, in today's class, we will learn a few important English idioms and phrases. I will explain you their meanings, and then I will require you to use them in your own sentences. If you don't understand any of them, you can ask me right on the spot. Okay, we will begin with the first very common and popular idiom, that is call a spade a spade. It means to be honest in your opinion about something. That is to say, if you are required to speak about something, so speak you speak frankly, you speak truly. You do not care if your comment may hurt someone, but you believe that is truth and I have to speak it. Okay, so we say call a spade a spade. I will give you an example, but you cannot copy my example. You will have to use it in your own sentence. Like the example is, okay, let me write it for you. He was not happy with my comment, but I had to call a spade a spade. Means if something is true, so then I have to call it true. Okay. The next idiom is carry a torch for. It means to be in love with someone after the relationship has ended. Means like you still like some person even though there is no connection between you two. Then you can use this sentence. Okay, this idiom, sorry. I think you can use it in your own sentences. Okay, bad apple means bad person. Bad apple means a bad person. Break the ice. We use this idiom when, let's say, you are sitting in a group and everyone is silent, no one is talking. Then you can say, we need to speak, we need to discuss something, let's break the ice. So you are not referring to real ice. Actually, you are saying that because there is silence. Silence is represented by ice. So then you use this idiom, break the ice. Next idiom is raise a red flag. It means to warn someone of some trouble beforehand. Let's say something bad is going to happen and you want to inform your friend. So then you can use this sentence. I had already told you that the flood is coming nearer, but you did not listen to me when I raised the red flag. Okay. Next idiom is stand one's ground. It means to insist on one's position. Like you want to say that you are right and you do not want to change your position or your opinion. By position, we do not mean actual position, the physical position. It means that you want to say that you are right and you cannot change your opinion because you believe that's the truth. Then you can use this sentence, stand one's ground. Okay, I can use it for sentence. I can use it in a sentence for you. They tried to bribe him, but he stood on his position and did not change the decision in their favor. Okay. Next sentence is idiom is turn deaf ears to, a deaf ear to. Okay, it means when you ignore someone. Like I'm talking to you and you do not respond to me, then I can say, why have you turned deaf ears to me when I was talking really important thing? Okay, so I hope you understand it now. Up for grab means when something is available. Particularly, we use this idiom when we talk about items in market, like let's say, I can say, new shoes, new shoes are up for grabs in the market because it's winter season. Back on one's feet. This idiom means to recover, to be healthy again. Back on one's feet means you stand on your own feet, you were ill, but you got your treatment, now you are healthy again, so you are back on your feet. Throw in the towel, it means to give up. This idiom means to give up. Now, these are 10 important idioms. If you use them in your writing and in your speech, it will enrich your writing and speech. Your classwork is you have to use 5 of them in sentences. Clear?